Hello everyone, nice to meet you. Thanks for joining Iconest 2023. Sorry, my English is not good, but I will try my best in presentation today. I will start it. The title of my article today is Identification of Electrical Circuit Material Science Misconception in 6th grade SD UMB. My biography. Rifki Maulana is elementary school teacher at SDUNB, Banyumas, Indonesia. I am also tech postgraduate at Universitas Muhammadiyah Purwokerto, Banyumas, Indonesia. Table of content this article. Abstract, introduction, method, result, and conclusion. Abstract. A misconception is a wrong belief in a concept, idea, object, or event that is inconsistent with the scientific understanding accepted by experts in that field. The problem studied in this study is the impact of misconception that occur in the material for electrical circuit among UMB elementary school students. This type of research is descriptive with a quantitative approach that is carried out in a definite way to help misconceive the material for electrical circuit using easy question for STUMB students. The data obtained in this study included the participation of sixth grade students at STUMB in answering easy questions. The result of interview with teacher and documentation. The data analysis used in quantitative descriptive analysis. The result of the study showed that there were 11.30% misconception about electrical circuit in UMB elementary school student. Namely, 11.30% did not understand the concept of electrical circuit. 48% had misconception and 40.67% understood concept. Misconception with high category that occur in the problem indicator determine how to read electrical circuit in illustrated image, namely 29%. Introduction. The concept is a group of fact or information that has meaning. Conception comes from the verb conceive, which means to reach. So, conception is a way of accepting someone for something that has meaning. Meanwhile, a misconception is a wrong belief in a concept, idea, object, or event that is well based on one's experience. Misconceptions are the notion of a concept that is not correct. It is wrong to use the concept of name. It's wrong to classify example of concept. They are termed about different concepts. It is not right to connect various kind of concept in hierarchical arrangement or to make an exaggerated generalization of a concept or make it less clear. Misconceptions are also factors that influence classroom learning. If there is a misconception, it will hinder the further learning process. Misconception can be triggered by factors such as student, teacher, teaching method, context, and textbook. Misconceptions are also factors that influence classroom learning. Students often believe in inappropriate concept or misconception about science lesson. Based on previous research in the field of science, several studies have been found, including misconception about the concept of electrical circuit. The result of the study concluded that the cause of science misconception were teaching material in the form of book, namely LKS, which were widely used in elementary school. Reinforced by all the research, it obtained results indicating 3.8% of student misconceptions were caused by textbook. The problem studied in this study is identification of misconceptions that occur in the material for electrical circuit among UMB elementary school students. Methods. The type of research used is descriptive research with a quantitative approach. Tools that can be used by researchers and teachers to detect misconceptions are multiple choice tests with open reasoning, multiple choice that with open question require student to answer, and word answer explaining when they have answer like that. Written essay test. Researchers or teachers prepare an essay test that contains several concepts that are to be touched or have been touched. From this test, it can be seen the misconception brought by study. Diagnostic interview, which are carried out by the teacher or researcher after selecting several concepts that are thought to be difficult for students to understand or some of the main concept of the material to be taught. Result. Misunderstanding of concepts that occur in study need to be detected from the start so that students do not experience misconception. The results show that UMB elementary school students had difficulty with several electrical circuit concepts, including determining how to read and understand electrical circuit in illustrates picture, identifying clamp components that were on or not lit, and identifying connected and unconnected switch components. An initial analysis of the occurrence of misconception among 15 respondents obtained the following data. Students did not understanding the concept of electrical circuit by 11.30%, misconception by 48%, and understanding concept by 40.67%. Misconception with a high category occur in the question indicator determine way to read electrical circuit in illustrate image, namely 29%. The following table show the result of the misconception diagnostic test on electrical circuit in UMB elementary school student. Conclusion. The finding revealed that UMB elementary school students struggle with several electrical circuit concepts, including determine how to read and understanding electrical circuit in illustrate picture, identifying component of like that were on off, and identifying connected and unconnected switch component. The difficulty of this concept leads to misconception in several electrical circuit sub-material. Reference this article. Thanks.